Hey, it's Matthew, and let's open up some Hot Wheels 2020 P-Case cars. So the first car is a Mazda RX-3, number 243. Porsche 914 Safari, number 242. Custom 11 Camaro, 239. The Flintstones Flintmobile, 235. The 17 Pagani Wire Roadster, 241. Nissan Silvia S13, 111. '98 Honda Prelude, 166. '16 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster, 170. And the 20 Jeep Gladiator, 157. My favorite car, out of all these, is the Centenario. The red color on this car goes really good. So the giveaway winner for the 2020 P-Case cars is John Micklet. So congratulations, John. You have 2 weeks to either DM me on Instagram or email me. to claim your prize. So thanks for watching, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what your favorite car is out of these 2020 P-Case cars.